Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to have favorite paya recipe. Paya is an Urdu term. Paya means mutton's legs. It is very healthy. You can give it for ladies and kids. After scraping the skin slightly and washing it with water for 4 or 5 times, I have added some turmeric powder and some salt and then hot water. Allow it for some time and then wash it again. How many of you agree that homemade food are always healthy? You can make it delicious with different varieties and you have no limit to the ingredients. You can try it in any way you want to make it. So today's recipe is Paya Khurma. Let's get into it. After cleaning the paya, I've taken it in pressure cooker to allow it to get cooked well. It will take time to get cooked. So I will let it in a low medium flame for about half an hour. Just to allow it to get well cooked. Well cooked mutton paya gives great taste. I've added some turmeric powder and some salt and some chilli powder. Mix it well and close the lid. So until it gets cooked in pressure cooker, I'll be making some other things. So I was preparing breakfast, that is dosa. Paya khurma for dosa is a great combination. You can even make appam or paratha or roti or idli. The option is unlimited. The ingredients needed to make paya khurma is so simple. Nothing much, everything we have at home itself. Tomatoes, potatoes, lemon, ginger garlic paste, and as usual, let's see what you're gonna do. Once the kadai is hot, add oil. Then goes half teaspoon of jeera powder, that is cumin seeds, and half teaspoon of saunf, that is fennel seeds. After adding the crushed ginger garlic paste, allow it to get fried well until the smell goes off. I have added sliced onion here. 3 large sized sliced onion. You can even make finely chopped or even grind it in mixer jar. Option is yours, the texture you want it, but I have sliced it for the great flavor of onion. Allow it to get fried well, cooked well until it is getting golden brown in color. Add some salt to make it fast. There goes sliced tomatoes. Crush it well, mix it and combine it. When it gets soft, add all the masalas. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder. Until then, I'm checking the paya, whether it is well cooked. That looks great. It is cooked well. Now that's time to add the pieces alone into the gravy. After it is combined and well cooked, we'll be adding the soup that we made out of the pressure cooker when we cooked the paya. So that goes now. Mix it well. Allow it to get well cooked. After it is well combined and you can see the boil, that's time to add coconut paste. Coconut paste is a great texture for a khurma. Finally goes the coconut paste. Allow it to get well cooked and then finally add chopped coriander leaves. The flavoring master of all khurma or any gravy. Close the lid. So that's done. The delicious paya khurma is ready. Close the lid and switch off the flame. Ready to serve. I hope you liked the video. If it's so, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel to get more updates on interesting videos. We'll meet you back again. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.